Hello students. Today let us learn about Kolkata. Kolkata is a major inland port. Inland means not located near the coast. Earlier it was known as Calcutta. The British made Kolkata the first capital of India. Now, why did the British make Kolkata the capital of India? Because West Bengal was very prosperous. It had lots of resources and wealth, right? Location. Kolkata is located on the banks of the river Hooghly. Banks meaning side of a river. It is the capital of the state of West Bengal. Language. The main language of the people is Bengali. Food. Their favorite food is rice and fish. They are fond of sweets like sandesh and rasgulla. Climate. The climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. It rains heavily during the rainy season in Kolkata. Government. The governor, the chief minister, and all other ministers of the state government live in Kolkata. All important state government offices are located in Kolkata. Famous buildings, places, and transport. Kolkata is connected to the sea through river Hooghly. The Howrah Bridge is the most famous attraction of Kolkata. It is different from ordinary bridges. It is supported by iron channels and has no pillars. Its new name is Rabindranath Setu. The Howrah Bridge is the most important landmark of Kolkata. The important feature of the bridge is that it has no pillars to support it. A new bridge called Vidyasagar Setu has been built on the Hooghly River. This is built to release the traffic on Howrah Bridge. It connects Howrah and Kolkata. Kolkata has an underground railway system. It is called the Metro. It was the first city in India to have the Metro. Trams. Trams are the main means of transport in Kolkata. Trams run on rails. Look at the rails in this picture, children. These are laid out on public roads. Kolkata is the only city in our country where trams are in use. There are many places worth visiting in Kolkata. Chaurangi is the main center of activity and entertainment in Kolkata. It has many big shops and cinema halls. In the heart of city are Fort Williams and Kolkata Maidan. The Victoria Memorial is one of the most beautiful buildings. It is made of white marbles. The Victoria Memorial was built to commemorate Queen Victoria's 25-year reign in India. Commemorate means to remember and give respect to great person. It is located in Kolkata Maidan. Rabindra Sarovar. This is an artificial lake in Kolkata. Kali temple at Dakshineshwar. This temple was built by Rani Rashmoni, a devotee of Kali. Alipur Zoo, one of the most popular tourist attractions in Kolkata. Belur Math. Belur Math is the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission. Right? Now, it was founded by Swami Vivekananda. The National Library. The National Library has more than 1 crore books, children. Botanical Gardens. The Botanical Gardens in Kolkata has a big banyan tree which is more than 200 years old. Right? The Eden Gardens, a famous cricket ground in Kolkata. Kolkata is an important center of education. Kolkata University is the largest and one of the oldest universities in India. Industries. Kolkata is famous for its jute, textile, chemical and paper industries. Festival. Durga Puja is the most important festival. Beautiful images of Goddess Durga are made and people offer their prayers during this festival. Kolkata is linked to all parts of the country. The main railway station is Howrah, linking Kolkata to other parts of the country. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport is an international airport. With this, we complete the chapter, children. Read the chapter thoroughly. Complete the assignment on time. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.